Alright guys, so here's the deal. I've always been fascinated by the idea of space as the final frontier, but what if it becomes the next battlefield? It's mind-blowing to think about, right? We're gonna talk about space warfare and the rise of space forces, and trust me, this is some seriously cool stuff. Now check this out. Nations have been considering militarizing space for decades, but it's only recently that we've seen the formation of actual space forces. The US Space Force, for example, was established in 2019. Their mission? To maintain, protect, and expand the US Space Force's capabilities. But here's the thing. It's not just about putting soldiers in space. It's about controlling and defending crucial satellites, monitoring potential threats, and potentially developing space-based weapon systems. It's like a whole new dimension of strategy and technology. Now this is really interesting. When we talk about space warfare, we're not just talking about lasers and missiles. We're talking about some seriously advanced tech like electromagnets and plasma-based systems. Electromagnets could be used for everything from maneuvering spacecraft to potentially creating defensive shields. And don't even get me started on electrosputtering. It's like this super cool propulsion method that could change the game for space defense tech. Let me show you something awesome. See this magnet and this piece of aluminum foil? Watch what happens when I drop the magnet through this copper tube. It falls slowly because of electromagnetic induction. Now imagine that on a massive scale in space. Hey, if you enjoyed this story about the future of warfare in space and the science behind it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing science stories. We're always exploring the coolest and most mind-bending concepts in science and technology. See you in the next video.